Yo, what's up, guys? How you doing? It's your boy MMD. So, market maker disciple. You understand? As you all know, so thank you very much for always supporting. You understand? So, in this video, I'll be practically like showing you guys my perspective about the market. You understand? Like against next week. You understand? We have clear price action on some of my watch lists. You understand? As you all know, I only trade USD JPY. GBP, USD, and gold most times. You understand? These are my favorite pairs. So, guys, um, I want you guys to know that everything I'll be practically saying here, I want you guys to understand the fact that it is my sole view about the market. You can always have your own view about the market. Okay, so let's start with GBP because okay, let's just say it. Let me just repeat myself once again. I'm not a financial advisor, understand, but I can actually show you my perspective about the market because that's how I believe how it works in the market. Okay, so now guys, looking at GBP right? Let's start with the weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame, we realize that there is a major structure right here. There's a range high right here. There's a range low right here. Range low right here, having some liquidity right here. So we realize that there's a major break right here, right? There's a major break of structure right there. So that actually indicates that this zone right here has to be respected. You understand? This premium zone right here. You see the market push to the upside, like break structure right here, then push to the upside, and we are expecting something like this on the BUSD, indicating that the USD will still be bearish for some time now. So now let's look at our daily time frame. Our weekly time frame shows that the market is going to be like in form of bullish, like bearish order flow. Okay, bearish order flow. But when getting to our daily time frame, guys, what do we see on our daily time frame? So look at we're having ranger right here, right? Okay, we have a ranger right here. So we are having internal structure right here broken. Okay, we're having internal structure right there broken, right? So now these are our daily level, like premium zone, you understand, for sell. You understand? We realize that when the market gets to this uh, daily uh, daily institutional level, you realize that the market actually reacts from that zone. Let's go to our H4 to see what we are looking at. So on my H4, I can see good price action. These are in low on daily time frame. Don't forget about that. RL, you understand? So on my daily time frame, you can see that we have a pretty much full price action on GBPUSD that patient trader will actually benefit from it next week in continuation of the order flow, right? You can see on GBPUSD, like I'm having a clear market structure break right here. Can you see that? So what I'll be waiting for next week is that I'll patiently okay, so then I'll mark up my 50% level, then I'll look out for that's where I'll be looking to like sell GBPUSD, understand? Actually there's a breakout block right here, but there's a high probability that this breakout block might not hold because it is below 50% level. So I don't mind about, I don't think about that breakout block. I'll rather focus on the market pushing to the upside, then I trade with the order flow. Understand? So definitely I'm looking to like sell GBPUSD right from this zone right here. And my swing target is this low right here. Okay, so I'll patiently wait for market to like return to that level. Understand? So that's my view about USD. Like I'm going bearish on GBSD. Understand? I'm going bearish on GBSD next week. So that's my view about GBSD. So you can see my swing target. That's about like 236 pips. Understand? So all I just have to do is to for my entry, conservative entry, is that I'll go to lower time frame and I'll find my model. Understand? Like I'll look for MMSM onwards on 15 minutes or 5 minute time frame before I actually place my entry right here. That is, I'll be looking for um, my entry right here. Then I sell off. You understand? Okay, so that's my view about GBPUSD. So let's look at USD JPY. What am I looking to do with USD JPY? When you go to the weekly time frame, okay, on our weekly time frame, we are having this high right here. We're having this low right here, range low right here. We have this range low. We have this range high. Okay, so and we have this institutional level right here being respected. So we have clear BSL right there that caused the sell. Understand? So um, now, okay, this indicate that this I right here is being targeted by the market makers, like they want to take away this I. So this indicate that the weekly time frame is actually bullish. So let's see whether the daily is in confluence with the weekly right here. You will realize that on our daily time frame, the daily is also bullish in this time because swing point has been broken. Swing point has been broken right here. Sorry, something is wrong with my network. Sorry, something is wrong with my network. So yes, the JPY, when you look at the daily time frame, you realize that we are targeting this weekly high right here. We are targeting this weekly high right here. Okay. So on USD JPY, you realize that we are targeting this high right here, right? So my focus right now is to see whether there is market confluence between my weekly time frame. You know, our weekly time frame is actually bullish is the JPY. So when we look at this zone right here, this one that actually caused the push to the downside right here was broken. So we're having clear BMS. Actually, I bought with the JPY last week. So my first target against next week is this I right here. I'm looking forward to this I been taking this one, this I2 being taken next week. So when you look at this zone, it's nice MMBM right there. Market makers buyer model was presented right there. So I'm looking for this I right here to be broken, understand? So my view on USD JPY next week is to like buy more. So when I go to my H4, you can see my H4 actually, you can see liquidity relying here. So I'm looking out for those highs to be taken. So on my H4, what am I seeing on my H4? Okay, I'll do something like this, understand? So I'm looking to buy below 50, like at discount price. I'm looking to buy. So easy. We can see we have nice breakout right here. Okay. So is it I buy from that breaker? Oh, I buy from the zone right here. So I look for my model entry, then I place the trade. So my target on USDJPY is either I buy right from here, taking those eyes. Understand? Okay. So I'm looking to buy at that key zones, or I buy right from there. Understand? Hope you guys are getting that. So I'm looking to buy either here or here on USDJPY. So that's my plan on USDJPY next week. So let's look at gold. Actually, gold is not actually yet clear to me, but I'm still on a swing buy, holding it in return to the weekly zones. Understand? So on gold, I would like to start from daily on gold. Like you see that on we are having an institutional level right here on gold. Then we have clear VMS right here, clear market structure break right there, right? Now, what I'm actually looking at, there's a breaker block right here that this market is never expected, but it has been tested about like 3 times, like mitigated. So I'm actually I'm being biased. My bias on gold is that let's see something like this. Okay, so I'm looking to buy above 50. Understand? Like I'm looking to sell above 50 right now. So I'm looking for something like this on gold. So I'll be bullish for a while to this point, and I'll sell, trading the order flow. So that's practically what I'm looking at on gold. But when you go to your H4, what are we seeing on H4? What are we seeing on H4? You realize that there's a key zone here, understand, for sell. So that's where I'm actually looking for. So I'm still on this buy, understand. So I'm looking for this, for me to take gold next week. I'll be looking out for this eye to be taken, understand. I might just watch what the price is going to look like. For this eye to be taken, and stuff like this. Then we look out for sell, trading the order flow. So we are selling gold right from this point, understand, trading the order flow. But we want market to like return back to the premium price, understand. Then we look out for our model right here, then we sell, understand. So that's practically what I'm looking at on gold next week. So I'm looking to buy, like once this eye is broken, then it will return maybe like on Tuesday, and I buy to this key zone. Once I buy to this key zone, then I sell off. Understand? So that simply means my plan on gold is more like something like this. I'm trading the order flow. Understand? And when I'm trading the order flow, I'm looking for this low to be broken. You understand? So I'm looking to like buy, sell gold right from that key zone. Understand? So but for short term, I might be bullish. Understand? Like I buy from here to this top here. Understand? That's about like 200 pips also. Do you understand? So I buy up here and trade the order flow to the downside. So that's my view on gold. Let's see. So now let's look at US30. What are we having on US30? What are we having on US30? Actually, when you look at US30 very well, on our daily time frame, you realize that we have clear range high and range low right here. Understand? So I'm actually looking to like sell US30 right from this zone. Understand? Because we have clear BMS right here. Our daily on US30 is actually more of a bearish, understand? What is just happening right now is complex throwback to premium zone, you understand? Because you mark up this zone and this zone like this, you realize that market now above 50, so I'm not looking to buy, I'm looking to short this trade. I'll patiently wait. for these markets, like take away these equal highs that we're having right here, like something like this to be happening, then I will swing this sell, trading the order flow. Understand? So that's what I'm actually looking at on this 30. So let's go to our H4. Let's see what are we having on our H4. On our H4, don't forget this way we are looking to sell this 30. So more of these like is okay. On my H4, if I'm to sell, I'll be selling. If I'm to buy, I'll be buying right from this key zone right here. Okay, how big guys are getting it, understand? So I will look out for these equal lows you're having here to be taken. Then I'll buy based on, I will look for my entry models right here. You understand me? Then I'll trade the order flow next week. So that's my view on I'll trade the order flow right here. Understand? I'll be selling right from here, trading the order flow. So how big guys are getting it. So those are my key levels that I'm looking to like buy or sell on all my watch list. But the one I'm interested most is GBPSD sell, USDPY buy. I'm interested in those two trades. Like they are very, very clean, you understand? So that's practically what I'm looking at. So thank you very much, guys. Enjoy yourself. Be safe and trade responsibly. Don't risk too much. Don't be fearful when don't be fearful. Understand? Trade with confident, like trade with confidence and be focused. Understand? And I have a working system. Understand? So, and if you are not getting anything, always ask questions from people. Understand? Always ask questions. You can always DM me and ask questions. So thank you very much, guys, and enjoy yourself. Have a nice trading week.